Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, if you had made a decision for learning this language in 2024 and you have not completed your task and you are regretting yourself like okay I have not done my task, oh I'm very foolish, I'm very coward. Don't worry, don't regret yourself. Still, you have a 20 days. Now, in today video, I'm going to share with you some tips, and all the tips are going to help to improve your English. Still, you have a 20 days, and if you are thinking it's so short time, you can't learn this language in between 20 days. Don't worry. My tips are going to help to enhance your English fluency. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay, friends. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. So the topic is like this. If you had taken a decision for learning this language in 2024 in a first month like January, and because of some work, because of some reason you have not completed your task and you are regretting yourself, don't worry, still you have a 20 days. So first I'm going to give you first tip, because we are learning this language, and every language there are four aspects like LSRW. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide and these 20 days in four part. So first part, initially part, what you need to do, you need to just listen so many content in English. You have to immerse yourself totally in listening. Listen podcast, all the content that you are going to listen should be according to your interest. Okay, should be according to your situation based content, not different one. Okay, and just like first content, how to make how to describe our day in English. This is the first content that you should listen. Second content, okay, in kitchen, what we are going to make, we are going to make a vegetable, make some learn some content, listen some content according to your situation. If you are a housewife, then use some listen some content and that belongs to your home, like okay, this is my kitchen and this is my household chore. Okay, and now I'm mopping, now I'm brushing my floor, now I'm cleaning utensil. In this way you can easily make listen some little sentences. Okay, and if you are a working profession, so listen all the content, all the sentences, and that depends on your situation. Okay, but you should listen more. You listen, so better you become fluent in English. How? So first, if you are listening any content in English, that means you are your brain, your mouth muscles, because when you are listening you just need to do the same other thing. That means you are listening, okay, now I am going to mopping, now I'm going to wash my face. Okay, so yes, you need to speak out the sentence simultaneously. You are listening, the same time you are speaking. You just need to imitate same time, not pause the video, same time. Yes, this is the thing that you have to do. Okay, now let's move on. Second thing, after 5 days, what you need to do? After 5 days, now you have a lot of vocabulary in your mind, now you have a lot of sentences in your mind, now you have a lot of content in your mind, because you listened so many content in 5 days, and all the contents content belongs to your situation. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to just read, you need to just read the same content, same thing that you have listened earlier in 5 days. Okay, one page, two page is not going to help you. You need to just read 10 pages every day, minimum 10 times, because you have a big task and you just need to complete your big tasks in between 20 days. So yes, you have to give a lot of time for learning this language. Okay, you have to read so many content in English that you should interest on the content. Okay, and but read content minimum, one content minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. Now, and now after 10 days, because you listen so many content in English, you read so many content in English, so after 10 days what happened, now you have a lot of sentences in your mind. Sentences, I mean to say sentences, lot of sentences in your mind. You know how to construct a sentence in English, because you have read so many sentences. So you will know some sentences in English. You will know how to construct this sentence and how to speak out. Now after 20 days, what you need to do, whatever you have listened, whatever you have read, you just need to write. You just need to write, but in your own words, not the imitation, not the any knuckle. Okay, you just need to write whatever you are thinking, that content in your mind, just write. Okay, and there is a sometime, because now the part is speaking, but if you are writing, so you have a lot of time for thinking. Your mind started to think in English. Now after 5 days, I mean to say after 15 days, what you need to do, you need to just whatever content you have listened earlier, whatever content you have read earlier, whatever content you have write in your notebook, now it's time to give your output by speaking out. But the question is that it's very difficult how to speak out. Don't worry friends, there is no one who's going to judge you. There is only you can judge yourself. There is only you. So what you need to do, you to just whatever content you have listened, whatever content you have read or write, just speak out without any think that this sentence is correct or not. Okay, feel free to speak out. Make so many mistake in English. Even if you are making 1,000 mistake, if you are making 100 mistake, don't worry about the mistake, but you just need to speak out. You just need to speak out. You just need to complete your task every day, 1 hour, every day 1 hour. Okay, initially time you just need to divide your time. I mean to say, okay, now I'm going to speak in English. Initially time 10 minutes. Now I'm going to speak in English 5 minutes. But short time, you just need to complete 1 hour every day. Okay, and believe me, do this thing, and after 20 days, the next year that is going to that is going to come. So the next year you will think, okay, it's very easy language now, and I can easily learn this language. So new year is about to come, and there is new confidence also will come to you automatically after 20 days, believe me. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.